And then there is the resume and all of the butter you need to understand about how I made about 4 figures in Fiverr just within 1 month as a beginner freelancer, you guys. Hi there everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can make about 4 figures in Fiverr and how I did it myself. First of all, try to stick around to the end of today's video. We're gonna have a lot of juicy content in today's video you guys are going to absolutely love. Without further ado, let's get started already. So in today's video, first of all, I will be showcasing you how much you can earn of money in Fiverr within about 1 month as a beginner freelancer. And by the way, just so I could be on the same page with you guys, you have to at least have 1 or 2 skills. And if you don't have any skill at all, this is still a good method for you to make money online using Fiverr.com. First of all, the first obvious thing you have to have is, first of all, a Fiverr account. So you'll find a link down in the description about that. Also, try to sign up with that so we get an affiliate and also you get a bonus as well. Currently, as you see, this is my profile right here. Sadly, I don't work in Fiverr anymore, but you guys get the idea. I've worked in Fiverr for a couple of periods. It's been 2 years, but since I took Fiverr very seriously, just snapped, and it was a very, very good experience. As you can see, I'm already level 1 seller. As you can see, 100% in everything, and I've made about, as you saw probably at the start of the video, about $930 in Fiverr earning. I've withdrawn that amount as well using my Pioneer account. So there will be more videos in the future about this that will showcase you every more detail about Fiverr and like how you could withdraw, how do you get a Pioneer account for free. That all will be on a separate video. Tell us if you want that. We can push that faster than we'll usually do, and we'll make it faster for you guys. So first of all, as I said, Fiverr is a very, very great platform for anyone that have skills. So say you have, good voice, good mic, good editing skills, Photoshop maybe. Fiverr is the place for you to come here and show what you are able to capable and make, which is very, very crazy. The opportunities right here are very, very infinite. And as I said, in today's video, I'm going already show you some tips and tricks. One of the most tips that we are going to focus in today are the creation gigs. So the gigs are very, very important right here. But before we do that, first of all, I will tell you a bit of methodology when it comes to working with Fiverr. So Fiverr is a very interesting website, but you see, the most people that succeed in Fiverr are the people that gives it a personal experience. I mean, imagine yourself a person who wants to hire a freelancer. Instead of going for a company or something, you want to hire a freelancer with a cheaper prices but more customizable experience, and you are giving away a little bit of the quality right there, but you are having a more personal experience. You'll understand a bit of the process, you'll understand a bit what's going on. Say you want to make a YouTube video, so you go, instead for going to a company and choosing, you come here to Fiverr, you pick some freelancers based on their so what you will be looking for is mostly based on previous work. Previous work is very, very important. But you may be asking me right now, how could I get previous work if I have never worked? Well, there you have to do free work, buddy. Yep, you heard me right. You have to do free work regarding Fiverr. That's how I started. That's mostly how other people started. And if they did not start that way, they probably either got some connections or someone, or they posted their content in social media and their work in social media, which is actually a very, very good strategy in my opinion. I wish I knew that I could post my work in social media, say in TikTok, say in Instagram, even though the post may not even get 1,000 views, but within that 1,000 views, there will be at least someone or 2 people that are interested in that type of service. I mean, that's the way the algorithm works. The algorithm shows you what you're interested in. So basically, that's also a very, very good trick that people are using today. And I will suggest you try that trick. What you can basically do is just have, that Google Voice type of thing, and on top of that Google Voice, you show your work, you show maybe some people also do like the speed of that thing, recording you drawing or something and then speeding it up, which will look also amazing. That was the first 2 tricks. As I said, personal branding is very, very important. And second thing is exposure. The way you can get exposure is, as I said, either by social media, for example, or you go ahead, you do free work. You go ahead, what I will suggest you do, as you can see in Fiverr right here, go ahead to more, go ahead to buyer request, as you can see, and you will be seeing a lot. Look at this, 451. I believe if you are a new seller, you will see either just 5 or 10. But basically what I will go ahead and do, I will message them, hi there. I'm Mohammed and I do this and this and this. Here's some of my previous work. Of course, you're gonna have some previous work of your own, something that you worked with your own, but you would express to them that you're still not experienced with working with other people. I mean, like, trust me, when it comes to honesty and stuff, in freelance, honesty is a very, very big key that's gonna play a very, very big role in attracting new customers and new people to the field. But yeah, as I said, it's very, very interesting and it's very, very amazing as well. But yeah, basically, as I said, once you do that, you'll message 5 to 10 people per day. That's what Fiverr allows you anyways. 10 offers all left today. I mean, look, I have 461 offers. That doesn't really matter, does it? Since I only have 10. So I'm gonna choose maybe the freshest people. And yes, since I do like WordPress gigs, this is, as you can see, software and WordPress kind of gigs. So you got the idea right here. It's very, very interesting and very, very amazing. And the way and the key to like make 4 figures, you guys, we're going to talk about this in a bit. So try to stick around to the end of the video. As I said, is that once you start getting customers, it's a snowball effect. I know it's hard at the start. It is going to be very, very hard at the start. But once you start to build momentum, it's going to build a snowball effect. And it's going to grow and grow and grow and just build itself down the hill, you know, to create this big, big snowball that's gonna roll itself down. We will talk more about this in the future in either a future course or video about Fiverr itself. So yeah, as I said, if you love today's video, please make sure to subscribe and like. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Tell us down below in the comment section what you would like to see, and peace.